Hello. Think about how you use apps like Waze or Google Maps on your phone. They help us reach places, but they don't show us all the details. They fall short in providing the typographical experiences that we may encounter. In 1931, a mathematician from New Orleans introduced the idea that the map is not the territory. When you look at any map, it is an abstraction. It is a representation of the real thing, but it's not reality. Now, when it comes to investing your money, the models you use operate on the same principle. It doesn't matter if you are a buy and hold investor, or if you focus on past returns and maximum drawdowns, or even if you invest in things that only start with the letter B. They are all a type of model that you created. Your model represents your best attempt to navigate the investing world. We make sense of complex things through reduction. Unfortunately, we can't help but lose certain important information in the process. Now, we can't include everything, and obviously when it comes to investing, if we knew everything that was going to happen, well, then there wouldn't be any risk. So what can we do? Well, one, realize that there will always be times when any model will not work as it should. And because of that, accept the fact that the result anyone else experienced with an investment was just one occurrence that was previously hidden from a wide range of potential outcomes. We are passionate about providing you with a better understanding of the range of possible investment outcomes, both good and bad, that you may encounter. Unexpected turns will still occur just like they do in life, but by being better anchored to realistic possibilities, you're less likely to get lost on your investment map. But more importantly, you have a better chance of achieving the highest reliable returns. And isn't that what we all seek?